Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we've got another very large box from the United States of America. And in fact, we've done two unboxings of the second one from the US on the same day.
Yeah, and it's got the sign on somewhere.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to get this one apart now.
Open.
So so far most of the machines we've had from the US have been very good. So we're just going to get into this one now. I'm not too sure which way it's going to be. So
this one is a very good Hoover.
So this is another Gatling Coles collection, something that he's not got one of at all of. So we'll just get this being really well wrapped again. This one, incredibly, the size of the box, if this was the UK,
just cut the top off.
They would not have delivered it because of the size of the box. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try and get into this now. Let's just lift off, mate. It should just lift off. It is like getting into Alcatraz, I'd say.
It's not supposed to lift off. You're supposed to cut the top off.
So what
Dad, cut the top off.
Yes, I know. There's no.
And it's so big, it's not going to come out of that.
Yeah, it will.
Not well.
Right. Now, I've just given another hand with this. This has probably been one of the most well-packed machines we've ever opened. Right, we're going to have to see what's going on here. The tape. So here it is. So they put all these boxes up. They really well packaged this. It has been like a.
Pay to pick on this newspaper.
So this is like a piece of artwork. Look, this is like opening up
America.
So as you can see, that they have absolutely really well packed this. I'll tell you what, I've had vacuums turn in like parcel wrap. Now this one, I'll get this one out now. You got it?
Just put all the newspapers back in.
So what we'll do now, we'll just have a quick look at this one before we pack up. So that's been like
Walmart.
It's been like entombed into like a mummy, this one. So
hey, what shop this say?
This is a Hoover Concept 1.
Hey, what shop this say, Dad?
With the power drive.
Hey, what shop this says?
I don't know. So we'll have a look at the newspapers in a minute.
Walmart.
Walmart, yeah, Asda Walmart.
What this says?
I don't know.
There's power sign.
Folgers. So we've got all these nice little boxes. They've actually entombed this one.
Oh.
So what we'll do now is we'll pick this mess up, because we can't obviously do a test with all this mess all over the floor. And we'll have a little look at the newspapers in a minute as well. Quite interesting, really. Well, we have give this a little fire up before we started, so it is working. This is quite an interesting one now, because this is an older one, because it has the 2-speed model. Also has the power drive. There are 3 settings for it. It does not come with a bag.
Back in.
So what we've done is I bought, well, a few months back actually, for another vacuum. I think for his Hoover commercial upright, one of his favourite vacuums. I bought a pack of bags, and these are genuine Hoover allergen bags. So these are fairly high spec. I think you can get HEPA ones as well. So this is not in bad condition, but interestingly enough, now we're just going to show you some of this. We've got the Dollar General, so obviously that's a budget shop, and also they have.
I saw this one at Central.
They have got the Goodwill. Now the Goodwill is a thrift shop, so maybe this one may have come from a thrift shop.
I want to keep the Goodwill bag.
But yeah, we are. So this is a
Goodwill. Someone got dog and share in
a Goodwill shop. Yeah.
And you can get toys on there too, and little vacuum cleaners.
Out of all the vacuums.
Who's this this then?
Out of all the vacuums we've ever unboxed, this one was like entombed. It was like probably like opening up Tutankhamun's tomb, really, how well it was packaged. I mean, it's come a very long way.
What does it say there?
I don't know.
It don't fit.
Pre-1981 models. Notice. So we don't know if it's going to fit or not. We'll have to see. So this also has. Well, let's get the ratings.
I'll say up and down. These come off.
So this is the power drive version.
I want to get the tools.
Right, yeah. We have actually got some tools as well for this one now. So it is a power drive one.
I want to have a go at it.
It has the
I want to vacuum some dirt.
the Quadriflex head on it, which was the one after the Beta bar. There's a sticker here like where it come from originally. So we will be putting the model number on there.
Ow!
Well, look on the here first. You put the bag in then.
No, I don't want to vacuum.
Perry's Vacuum Store.
I know what that is.
Perry's Vacuum Store. GA. Brunswick.
Where's Terry vacuum store?
So that's the state of the GA. I can't think what GA is now, actually, top of my head. So this is where this one was possibly serviced at one time there. So this is the power drive one. It has the. Give him a hand with the bag. So this is a halogen bag.
You said it's Anderson already.
The halogen bag. Also, Carl's going to show you the original air freshener that's still in there. It probably doesn't smell.
It does.
But the plan is we're going to.
It does.
Yeah, slightly. So
No, the Postasonic vats.
you can actually fit Orec ones in there as well. They are a little bit bigger, aren't they?
No, the Postasonic vats.
Right.
Even the one I got, the Orec ones are a Sonic vat.
Do they? So this one is a Hoover cleaner, concept one. The model is a U3305. Normally,
You said horrible. That's just.
it does type A bags, and it's 5.6 amps, so that's 5 times a 60. So it's around 700 watts motor on it. So it's got about 700 watts in it. Some of the later ones were more higher powered. So this is a 2-speed model.
No one's going is when it works.
Yeah, so this has got a nice, the old H model. Do now, we'll plug this one in.
Take my other one.
Yeah.
What always?
What's that doing on?
It's always on.
No, it's not. So you plug that in like that. Hopefully the power drive will be working and not grinding.
You have a go.
So this is now, we're going to obviously clean this one up a little bit.
Turn it on. It's down the bottom.
Oh yeah. Headlights as well on that, that's not a problem. They use 4 volt headlights. There's no grinding from the clutch. This one has got the turbo bar, yeah. So that's on self-adjust mode. That jerking is because it drives it. So overall, you can turn that knob now, you see the green marks in it. Well, this one does work.
I want to get the tools.
What's going to happen now is, quite pleased with this one, the clutch, it's no grinding noise, so that means the clutch is fine. It looks like it's been serviced by Perry's.
I think someone else's one's grinding.
So what do you say now, Kyle?
What's it now?
Please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8, and on the next video we'll do an aftercare video, and then I think we've got to do a tool video as well. So we've got the tools as well to go in there. But thank you very much for watching.